Right, another day in the garage. Car's undercover. This is actually my Cayman cover. Fits pretty well. Anyways, we got Racing Beat stuff, a bunch of random boxes, and we got more stuff in today from Flying MIATA. It's just a bunch of bracing, fender brace, whatnot. I have this on here so I don't kick my lip as I come in. Willwood, BBK, random lines and whatnot. New center console because my old one's cracked. Out here we have my newly coated valve cover from the coaters. So we dropped this off about a week ago. And under that is a package from Germany. This is our IRP shifter. So lots to do, very little time. So we have our new crank pulley. Not new, but I painted it. Looks great. Look at that. Amazing. So we need to get the other items. All right, let's see. Tools. We got. We don't have anything else left in here. Okay, good. So we got this piece. This piece is a giant bolt. This thing. The little insert. That's it. Alright, so we're gonna scuff this down with my scuff pad that was here somewhere. Dude, I just had a new one sitting here. Alright, well, anyways, we are gonna start by scuffing this up. Okay, good. And these bolts. Hey Dan, can you get me the one of those brake cleaners, please? Do these need to be thread locked?
No. Just make sure you torque them.
I will torque them. These are all the front end parts. There's our cam gears. All right. Backing plate is on this thing. Right.
How are you doing? No problem, man. Not too bad. How are you? Enjoying your Saturday?
Okay. Dan, can you give me a couple of the used rags? Again, stuff you can't see, but worth cleaning. So this goes this way, right?
Yeah.
Yep, because the marking is right there. So this goes here. Do these need to be torqued? I'm assuming not. You know torque specs on these babies?
98 ones.
So hand tight. Working a lot of 10s. Okay.
So
Like this. Or intake on this side.
intake and then exhaust here.
So I will be like this.
I will be on top.
Like that.
Yeah.
E, I. Okay.
Uh-oh. What's happening now? I'm gonna save the food for the last
40.
40. 450.
Alright. $40. So if you don't hold that and you crank on this, you're in trouble. Yeah, you should use this one, huh?
It's for 24.
Use the one that's not so gigantic. Okay. Oh, it moved.
Doesn't matter. But that's it.
Why doesn't it matter?
Because we can always re-index it.
Such a giant tool.
Thank you.
Huh?
Why, thank you.
Sounds like a...
Customer side.
Okay. This is the one with a spring. This goes on this big...
So if you look at the bottom plate, there's going to be something that fits over the dowel.
So we reuse that spring? Or do you have that spring?
We're going to reuse the spring.
This goes this way?
No, the other way.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Right, with the timing belt on and lining it up with the slots right here. You'll see it right there. Little slots on the gear. All right, let's twerk this biatch. 130? Jesus.
30. Did I put 130?
It's like 125. You put 125 plus like a little line.
120?
Yeah. You want 125?
No, 120.
120.
Alright, so this is what I want. I want this dowel at about 5 o'clock.
Okay, let's do it. Just right now?
Yep.
I'm not gonna jack up the motor. Oh, there's bolts in here. Put that in the cowl. Motor's clear, no obstructions. Okay, good. Just twist it. I won't snap the belt. Damn, that belt's strong.
Oh, is car in gear?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Well, I just torqued it. Well, what is the shit part? This guy. Why, does that screw up the belt?
No.
Then why'd you say shit? What was the shit for?
No, just
For fun? You can't just say shit for fun. Especially if I'm doing this. Don't bend my fender. Okay?
not that fat. Go ahead.
Damn, I already torqued it though.
Let me make sure. Stop. Let's go ahead.
That's not 5 o'clock, dude. Okay.
Take it out. So this dowel is gonna go. So the dowel is gonna go through here. And we're gonna rest this against the water pump. on this side.
The other side. So like that.
Yeah.
So keep turning it until it stops.
No. Well, now let's put the bolts through. Otherwise, we're gonna destroy the dowel. So the 4 bolts for the crank pulley.
Right. Look at that cool
Cool tools.
tools.
It's my team.
Well, I'm assuming the timing belt should be that strong, because if it's not strong, I'd be worried. Imagine that. How much? I'm sure the crank exerts more force than 125 foot-pounds. Depending on your boost level or power level. Right?
Of course.
Okay. Torque it.
Good.
So I did already torque it. You didn't need this fancy tool. Yeah, we just broke it, guys. From dried black to OEM brand new.